I don't want to play with that because I don't want to have a wobbly ass trailer and to get in an accident. Oh my God. When did that happen? What the fuck? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is again a weird, like super nice day in Tennessee, even though it snowed a little bit yesterday, and the day before that it was raining and shitty out, and then before that it was like super sunny like this. It's a weird, dude, like I never clean the GoPro. It's always a weird weather pattern around here, man. I can't wait to get to Colorado where it hails. It's gonna be great. Anyways, today we are gonna be pressure washing things like the house, because apparently I'm responsible for flea spray and professional carpet cleaning and that stuff. I don't know if y'all can really see it. See all like the dirtiness there that was probably already there when I moved in here? All this like this stuff. So we're gonna bust out the little Walmart pressure washer, which hopefully still works and isn't clogged up. Otherwise we'll have to fix it again like we did last summer. We're gonna throw the hose on it and we're starting it back and do a little time lapse. But oh man, this side's really bad. Like this side's gonna take forever. Right here, if y'all could see that, like this side's, yeah, that side's super bad. It's like all the way up there. But that's okay. We got a short ladder and a long wand. I'll attach it to a freaking broomstick. Do we still have a broomstick? I think it's going in this load. So we might have a broomstick in there. I'll duct tape the pressure washer thing to it and lock her down. We'll get her going. As you saw in the last video, we moved a lot of stuff around. We still have a few items up here to get down. The moving company did come and kind of look at our stuff, so we might end up being able to ship this toolbox, because in the trailer for the Canyon, which we'll talk about, I got some news on that too. This whole thing is gonna max out the 800-pound tongue weight like that. I don't want to play with that because I don't want to have a wobbly ass trailer and to get in an accident. Oh my God. When did that happen? What the fuck? Ah, jeez. Now we gotta get new wheels for the Canyon. Just kidding. I actually want to get some nice black wheels for this thing. And fuck it, since we got 20,000 miles on it already, might as well just freaking lower it, do what we want to do with it. The Canyon hitch. Here's the deal. AUTOZONE was supposed to have my stuff. What's today? 27th? 2 days ago, right? Count them. 1, 2. 2 days. And what happened was the warehouse did not have the part that they ordered, so they just canceled the order and didn't tell them. Yeah, so we don't have that. It's still dirty. They did get the harness for the wiring harness in, right? So we could put that thing on there, but it'd be just easier to do all that in one. Issue is, they ordered it a second time on the 25th when I called. Again, the warehouse canceled the part. So we tried to order a different part. It's gonna be here tomorrow, on Friday. The problem with all this is, at this point, I could have just ordered the damn thing from their website and had it at my house right here on the steps. On a good note, today, at some point, we are gonna get a GoPro stabilizer. So all this jumpiness and stuff that you guys are getting all the time, we're gonna try to eliminate that. We don't really ever need a light on the GoPro like I have on here right now. Throw this shit away. So it's kind of useless. If we do need a light, we'll just figure out a way to attach one, I guess. But it should be pretty cool to try to have an actual stabilizer, like a gimbal basically for the GoPro. So we're gonna film the unboxing, then we're gonna try it out and stuff. We're gonna film it all, and we'll get a first impression of the thing. So y'all be able to see that probably tomorrow night. But for now, we're gonna do some pressure washing. Hopefully we get done, and then we're gonna maybe fuck with the garage some more. I'm like squinting real bad right now because the sun's out. I don't even care. It's super nice out. I think I'm gonna go throw on probably some pants and a sweatshirt for pressure washing because it will be freaking cold. So hope y'all enjoy the video of some time lapses of me out here pressure washing. Ooh, workout detected. I've been walking around. Ooh. But we're gonna get the pressure washer out, throw her in the backyard. There's a hose already back there, and we'll get it going. All right, so we've got a good little start here just to kind of see if this is gonna work very good without soap or anything. But right now, you can't really tell the huge difference because it's kind of shady for you guys. But here you go. Bam. So that's 100% cleaner and all that. So it seems to be working out pretty good. I've only been doing this for about maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, so it's not gonna take me that long to get it all done. Alright, that was a pretty easy job, I guess. Probably took me about maybe an hour, hour 15. Do the whole back side of the house. There's still a few spots that are like kind of like there, but as you can see, it's a hell of a lot better than it was. You'll see what I'm saying in a second. Some stains on the plastic and stuff, but Jesus, look at that. That to that. Bam. Look at the difference. All right, well, gotta be happy with that because I'm not hiring somebody to and paying them like $200 to pressure wash my fucking house. Now this side is gonna be the worst, I think. I'm gonna take a quick Mountain Dew break and we're gonna knock out this side. Now the peak is gonna be the hardest part right here. I think I'm gonna soap it with some car wash soap, so see what we get out of it. So, I'm wet, soggy. We're almost done with the front. So we made it all the way around from the side. As you guys saw, the time lapse, I kind of forgot about the GoPro. I thought I just started doing this. But yeah, all this is nice and clean. Even cleaned the concrete pad in front of the garage a little bit, make it look a little better. This one's pretty shitty too, so are the steps. Tomorrow, we will be going to a big car meet. That's at the marina. All the car clubs are kind of getting together, doing a big meet. And then we got a track day next weekend, which we'll be here for. So we're gonna try to make it out to that as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have some more cleaning time lapses, but apparently they want the house outside, inside, all cleaned up. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Friday night, and we will sure as hell see you in the next video. Yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. We really appreciate, you know, all the support. We're sitting at 130 subscribers right now. My goal is to get enough videos out consecutively right now to get to 5,000 minutes watch time over 28 days and 2,000 views a month. As far as YouTube goes, it's going really good. I really enjoy making the videos still, and I will for the, you know, whatever future is coming for this channel. There's always going to be some of the same and some new content. Me and Will have already been thinking about some stuff for Colorado, about getting a little bit crazier with stuff, just because we'll have a better area to do it in, more people that are in the car scene and stuff like that. But for now, thank you guys very, very much for subscribing to our channel. Those of you who do watch regularly that are already subscribed, thank you very much for the support. We really, really appreciate it. It makes it a lot more fun when I see new subscribers every few days, you know, 1 or 2 a week, 1 or 2 a month. It doesn't matter. Every time I have a new subscriber, I get excited, and I'm like, hey, look, babe, look, I got a 131 today, huh? So I get super excited about it every time, and I like seeing, you know, the continuous views. Right now, you know, the views are like, it's like 25 over a couple of days, which is cool with me, but I've noticed a steady increase as well. So again, we really appreciate it. We do read the comments. Somebody said Scar sucks. Well, they beat the fuck out of this little car, buddy. So if you're still watching, thanks for the comments. Regardless, because you know what? If you guys don't comment or like stuff, then we don't know what to do different. We don't know what to do the same. We just don't know. But before I forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the buttons, hit the notifications, so y'all can catch every last video. I almost forgot to do my little outro too. I'm getting pretty good at it though. See y'all later.